Here we have the current stock market update for Mullen Automotive Incorporated, stock ticker MULN. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comment section so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So here we have the 5-minute time frame. As I've explained in prior videos, we look at this time frame because overall the trend movement that has been found in this stock over the long term is quite bearish. It's heavily focused in the negative direction. So in order for us to really get a sense of where share prices are headed at the moment, we really do need to drill down onto these shorter term time frames. In this video, what we're going to be doing is pointing out some very specific support and resistance zones, some very specific price levels, which can hopefully be used for traders to develop profitable trading strategies for this stock going forward. So as we've said in prior videos, the stock itself did manage to post some near-term highs coming in at 57.5 cents. This did occur after the share price ultimately found some support right near 24.3 cents. And then we did see a fairly significant move higher on a short-term basis. So this movement did occur quite quickly, and we did see share prices roughly double, more than double, in a very short period of time. So this would have really occurred from roughly August 22nd to the highs would have come in right around August 26th. So we're not even talking about a full trading week here. We're talking about 4 days, and share prices did more than double during that period of time. So it's not common that you see that type of price movement in a stock. And when we did see this, there was a large number of YouTube videos that were posted on the stock saying that, the stock was going to the moon and, everybody was going to get rich if you just buy you can invest a small amount of money in this stock and share prices were going to, surge much higher. But as we can see here, those price movements were very short-lived. They did not last a very long period of time. And anybody that was likely watching those videos is now trading under pressure. Their positions are probably most likely losing money at the moment because as we can see here, this was really only 4 days of price gains, followed by, many more days of share price losses. And the share price losses that have unfolded here have been much more significant in terms of the, destruction of share price value than what was seen during this short 4-day period. So for these reasons, we really have tried to place more focus on the members only section of the trading room for people that are caught in trading scenarios like this. Because as we can see here, there are many people that believed what they saw in these YouTube videos. They bought in at these wrong levels, possibly bought in around 50 cents or so, as share prices were moving higher here. And now those positions are in serious trouble because the near-term low now comes in at roughly 12.6 cents. So this is a very significant price movement here to the downside. And it does suggest that share prices, have not been able to sustain these rallies for a very long period of time. This is a very dangerous stock to be entering into, and we don't really recommend trading stocks that have this long-term, share price movement that's clearly focused in the negative direction. So, the people that are recommending the stock really don't know what they're doing. These are people that are just trying to make YouTube videos rather than people that are trying to make successful trades or people that have real experience trading the market. They might have heard something somewhere. They might have seen a tweet somewhere or a post on Reddit or something like that. And now they're telling people to buy into this stock, even though, it's very clear that the stock is heading in the wrong direction. So, it is possible to see these short-term price movements here with a name like this. You can see a move from 24 cents to 57 cents in a period of 4 days. But if you're not in at those lows and then quickly capturing gains in the share price, you're going to be trading under pressure here very quickly because these gains don't last for a very long time. Share prices did manage to break below that 24.3 cent support level. This would have been during the August 29 trading session. So, we're talking about a week here where share prices, completely reversed this upward trending movement. So, anybody that was releasing videos, and if you watched any of those videos, for example, I really would suggest that you go to the comment section there and, explain, you are losing money in this trade. or at least, if you did see videos like that, you can write their names in the comments section, because I can, this channel is growing very quickly, and I am starting to come into a position here where I can start to call out people that are making really negative trades, because I really don't even think that these should I really don't even think that these people should be posting videos like this on the platform. Huge amounts of money are being lost, and some very outlandish, projections and claims are being made here, saying that share prices are going to the moon, they're going to $100, they're going to $50. You only need to buy a few shares because it's only trading at a few cents per share. This is complete nonsense. What's going on here with stocks like this? It's extremely unfair to people that have lost money. And I have already seen, there have been many comments in the comment section explaining, people have talked about their share price positions, and these have lost huge amounts of money. And there's no reason to believe that share prices are going to be able to recover that money. I mean, it's really ridiculous. One name that has been called out here as recommending this stock in the past has been Business Dad. This YouTuber, it's very clear. I looked a little bit at his videos. This guy has absolutely no experience trading the market. Nothing he said made any sense at all. He was just sort of saying that the stock was moving higher, and what are his motivations exactly? It really isn't clear what exactly he was doing. I mean, why is he recommending this stock at all? I mean, does he really believe that this stock is moving higher, or does he have some other motive here? I mean, what exactly is going on? Because I watched some of this guy's videos, and it was very clear very quickly that he had no experience trading the market. So, as things have moved forward here, we have started to develop a series of lower lows in the process. So as I said before, the support zone at 24.3 cents has been broken. Recently, we did develop a little bit of support at 13.6 cents. Share prices moved about 5 cents higher, but then we broke to new lows again at 12.6 cents. So this is a series of lower highs and lower lows, which defines a downtrend. This is the textbook definition of a downtrend. And these people that are posting these YouTube videos really shouldn't even be allowed to do that. So if you do write a name out in the comment section, another channel that has been posting these types of videos, I can go back and look at those videos, and then I can make a video specifically pointing out exactly what they're saying that is incorrect, because there is a lot of misinformation that's being spread at this point. And it is causing people to lose a lot of money. So here's the current stock market update for Mullen Automotive Incorporated, stock ticker MULN. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.